Problems on ultrasound and sonar. Problem. The speed of sound in water is 1500 meter per second. How far away from an undersea rock should a deep sea diver be so that he can hear his own echo? It's a little tricky one because you have only one data parameter, which is speed of sound in water. So the given is speed of sound in water, which is 1500 meter per second. What does it mean? In 1 second, the speed of sound is 1500 meter. Now, he hears his own echo. Let's say 1 second it is. Then how far away from an undersea rock should a deep diver be? That means there is, let us see for more clarity. So there is a deep diver and there is a rock, sea rock. So now what is this distance? This distance we say it as small d. Now we need to find this distance. What is the distance? Because in 1 second the sound can travel from the diver to the rock and from rock back to the diver since he hears his own echo. So if 1 second it is 1500 meter and he hears his own echo, then the d will be 1500 by 2, which is 750 meters. Because this 1500 meter represent both ways. This represents 2d. Because the sound wave travels from one place to another and come back. So it is twice the distance between the object and the source of the sound. So 750 meters is the answer. Now we'll see problem. An echo sounder in a trawler means a fish boat, receives an echo from a shoal of fish 0.4 seconds after it was sent. If the speed of sound in water is 1500 meter per second, how deep is the shoal? So we need to find the depth of the shoal. What is given here is the speed of sound v, which is 1500 meter per second, and the time it takes for the echo to come back. So it's a written signal. The time is 0.4 seconds. Since it is to deal with the echo, the distance is twice. So if I consider d as the depth of the shoal, then 2d is equal to v into t, which is 1500 into 0.4, which is nothing but 600 meters. So d is 600 by 2, which is 300. So the depth of the shoal is 300 meters. So in any of these sonar problems or echo problems, the distance is always twice because the time is always measured with the written signal, transmitted and received. So the signal travels twice the distance. So when we are finding the distance, we should always use 2d.